Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to make a photo black and white in Photoshop. To get started, open your image in Photoshop. Choose a photo you want to transform into a classic black and white look. Now this is very simple. All you have to do is to go to Image and then hover over your mouse to Adjustments and then choose Desaturate, this one. So if you're the type of person who likes shortcut keys, all you have to do is to press Shift plus Control plus U key on your keyboard to desaturate the picture. Now this will instantly turn your color image into a grayscale black and white version. To enhance your black and white photo, you can adjust the brightness and contrast. Go to Image, and then Adjustment, and then select Brightness and Contrast. From here, you can then adjust the brightness and the contrast of your image. And once you're satisfied, just click on OK. And that's it! You now know how to make a photo black and white in Photoshop. It's a classic and timeless effect that can add a touch of elegance to your images. Before you go, remember that black and white photography can evoke strong emotions and focus on the essence of your subject. Experiment with different photos and settings to create stunning monochrome images. Thanks for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to make a photo black and white in Photoshop. See you on my next video.